Hello. Nice, isn't it? Nice. You need to cut it like this and just fold it in like that. Alright, my friends. Now we've got all these bits and pieces off. We're gonna wrap them with some sexy red fabric. I think it's gonna look good against the black leather. So let's give it a go. Oh yeah, another top tip, it's getting freezing out there, so get yourself one of these gas heaters. They're a lot more economical than the electric ones, and they heat up this bad boy like a motherfucker. So let's do this. Hey, we'll fuck this one up. Don't do it this way. Don't do a triangle. Make sure you have enough room on the edges. We'll try again in a minute. Looks like a little minchita. Let's do a cross now. See if that works better.